fastest way to sum a row or a column in Excel is to use Excel's Autosum feature. To use Autosum, click the first empty cell after a row or below a column that you want to sum. Then, in the Home tab, click Autosum, followed by Enter on a PC or Return on a Mac. You can also sum two cells by going to the cell that you want the sum to appear and typing equals sum, open parentheses, and clicking on the first cell that you want to sum, followed by a comma, and clicking the second cell that you want to sum, followed by a close parenthesis. Then enter or return. You can also sum a range of cells. For example, let's sum all of the expenses under gas. Go to the cell where you want the sum to appear, type equals sum, open parentheses, and click the first cell in the range, followed by a colon, and the last cell in the range, followed by a close parenthesis. Press enter. You can also sum a range by going to the cell that you want the range to appear, typing equals sum, open parentheses, and clicking and dragging the entirety of the range, followed by a close parentheses and an enter or return.